In this video, we are going to be analysing drug. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels in this some sort of a dead cat bounce? And that is what this looks like. So if you were taking this long bias, do be quite careful and make sure to be locking in profits along the way. But as of right now, our closest resistance is the first deviation at $1.75. We can see that does line up to around $1.80 on the first deviation on the 1 year chart as well. So really, that is going to be a hard level to break, and it's probably why we're seeing a pullback coming into this level. However, if we're able to break above 180, break above it, come back to retest 180 as a support, and buying pressure kicks in, then really we could expect quite a big move to around $2.40. And if we are able to break that, we're then looking at $3, $4, $3.60, slash kind of $3.70, and then breaking through there at an extreme push would take us to around $6.20 and $8.50. Now what we can do is get some more resistance on a shorter term time frame. So really those are levels where if you're looking at this stock a week out, even a month out, those levels should hold. Whereas these levels are if you were looking for the intraday day trade for today, maybe even going into Monday, then we would be paying more attention to these levels as well. And that would be resistance at $2.05, $1.95, $1.15, kind of that range of around $3.05 to kind of $3.10. And another resistance at $3.65. So what you're seeing is these are lining up quite strongly with the longer term time frame, so just making these levels more and more strong, and the ones to be paying more attention to, especially if you're trading this on a shorter term plan, which I imagine actually the majority of you are. But yeah, now onto the support side of things, what are we paying attention to if drug starts to fall? So our closest kind of key support level, I guess, would be 150 because a key psychological level, and would be our statistical mean on the 20-day chart. But really on the support side, because these stocks are more likely to fall, at least in time, that we are paying more attention to the longer term time frames, and that would take us to $1.10 and 50 cents, as those are only the statistical levels that we can do. Obviously, we're paying attention to the 52-week low at 75 cents. But what this really does tell us is if we break back below this 150, expect a sell-off at a minimum to 110. And then again, if we can break that, then 75 cents and 50 cents as our kind of final target. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on drug. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on AAOI.